Amidst the vibrant spirit resonating across the nation, NPS International School joined in the jubilant festivities of Holi alongside our cherished students. Laughter and merriment filled the air as our little ones gleefully adorned each other's faces with hues of joy. As we revel in this joyful occasion, we extend warm wishes to you and your loved ones, hoping your Holi is filled with endless happiness and vibrant celebrations.